Okay, today's the 24th of June. A factory has caught heavy fire and explosion in South Korea. The factory was manufacturing lithium batteries. Some of the batteries has exploded that has made the factory to caught heavy fire. And so far at least 22 workers has been killed during that incident. You can see the factory over there completely damaged by the explosion and fire. It has happened just a few hours ago, so we still don't know the exact count or how many people has been injured. But so far, authorities are saying 22 workers has been killed. Most of them are Chinese nationals. So a factory caught heavy fire after an explosion of the lithium batteries in South Korea. So far, 22 people has been killed. We don't know how many has been injured yet. It has just happened a few hours ago, I think. I just woke up myself. The damage was quite consequent. Ceilings have collapsed and so on. It was quite serious. You can see more of the damaged building here. It's a high-rise building, several stories buildings that has caught fire. Okay, you guys can do more research. I just wanted to show you that. And now I'm going to show you what I knew about this. Just be patient with me. My computer is giving me a hard time. Okay, here it is. I hope you guys can read it. So I dreamed that like a bit over 1 year ago. In my dream, I thought it's an apartment complex office. In fact, it's not an office, it's a factory. And that factory was manufacturing lithium batteries. Here you are. The title is Building Fire in South Korea. And in my dream, I thought 37 people will be killed and injured. So far, 22 has been reported killed, but we don't know how many injuries. But I am pretty sure, I hope not, but I'm pretty sure the figure will round up to 37 being killed and injured. It's always like that, guy. I know pretty much everything that is going to happen anywhere on this planet. Please watch it, share it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends, colleagues, and family. Thank you.